Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by blocking the tiger as simple masses so you can understand volume and depth. Draw a sphere for the skull, an elongated oval for the ribcage, and cylinders for limbs. Once done, place a center line down the face and spine to track rotation and perspective. Make sure to mark a single light direction now so shadows remain consistent later. These steps force you to think in 3 dimensions rather than flat shapes, which prevents proportional errors as you proceed. Next, refine the anatomy by turning spheres and cylinders into identifiable forms. Carve the jaw and muzzle, define scapulae and pelvic plates, and model thighs with overlapping planes so volumes read in space. As you progress, add limb joints and a tail core, then lay in directional fur strokes to reinforce surface flow. Use contour lines and cross-sections to describe curvature. These guide highlights and shadow placement and explain why a stripe bends around a muscle rather than across it. For finalizing, commit to value structure. Block darkest shadows, midtones, and highlights so each pass builds depth. Paint fur in layered passes, start coarse, then add finer hairs and edge detail, making sure stripes follow the underlying anatomy to sell 3 dimensions. Once done, add crisp highlights where light hits and soften edges where light wraps around the form. If proportions look off, lower brush opacity and use separate layers to nudge masses. This lets you correct without losing texture or value relationships.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.